what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and welcome to my official legit check of the Air Jordan 9 in the olive colorway. As always, you want to make sure that you check for your RFID chip behind the box label. The RFIDs usually change between Jordan models, but this is the correct RFID for the Jordan 9 olive. When you remove the insoles, make sure that you have a woven footbed. When you flip the insoles over, you should have dream cell inserts, but this time around the background is white instead of the black one that we usually get. Moving on to the sizing stickers. Your sizing stickers should be placed above the Nike logo. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, especially if you're buying them used, but if you're buying them brand new, then your sizing stickers should be placed above the Nike logo. Speaking of the Nike Air logo, notice that it does not have a gloss to it and it is very stiff to the touch. So unless you're playing some serious basketball in these, then the logo should not rub away easily. So when it comes to the sizing tag, make sure that the sizing tag is stitched onto the tongue. Usually we get sizing tags that appear to be melted onto the tongue, but for this particular sneaker, just make sure that the sizing tag is stitched. So the factory code on my pair reads VP. As we saw on the powder blue Jordan 9s from earlier this year, that had a factory code of VY. So it's possible for the olive Jordan 9 to have that factory code as well, but that is assuming that Nike used multiple factories. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have something other than VP. So the production dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones on your pair, but the ones on your pair should be the same between your left and right shoe. In the event that your production dates are not the same, that doesn't mean that your shoe is necessarily fake. However, it is becoming the standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. Also keep in mind that this sneaker comes with shoe paper, not shoe trees. So when you're inspecting the shoe, please make sure that the Jumpman is facing to the front of the shoe on both shoes. It is very easy to overlook this detail, so make sure you are paying attention to that. Moving on to the box, there are no stickers or stamps underneath the box lid. You will have one red stamp inside of the box. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, true red, and light olive. All right, folks, and that'll conclude this legit check on the olive Jordan 9. If you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content, and until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.